Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView paper trading on your phone. First, open the TradingView app and navigate to any chart. Look for the Trading panel tab at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it and then select Paper Trading from the list of brokers. Connect to it, and you'll instantly have a virtual account with a substantial balance to begin practicing your trading strategies. Once connected, placing a trade is straightforward. On your chosen assets chart, you'll see prominent buy and sell buttons. Tap one to open the order panel. Here, you can specify your order type, such as market or limit, and adjust the quantity of shares or contracts. Don't forget to set your stop loss and take profit levels to manage risk effectively before confirming the trade. After placing a trade, you can monitor its progress directly within the trading panel. Your open positions and pending orders will be clearly displayed. To modify a stop loss or take profit, simply tap on the position and adjust the parameters. You can also close a trade instantly if market conditions change or your target is met. This panel provides a comprehensive overview of your virtual portfolio. Regularly reviewing your performance is crucial for improvement. The Account History tab within the Trading panel shows all your past trades, allowing you to analyze your wins and losses. This helps refine your strategies. Also, if you ever want a fresh start, you can easily reset your paper trading account balance. And hey, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.